I'm Bree the Plant Lady. I'm sorry I haven't been able to make very many videos lately. I have been overwhelmed with virtual webinars. I haven't been able to get outside and play in the garden very much. But tonight, I am getting outside and reminding myself that I actually do garden. I don't just talk about gardening. So I am going to get this border behind me planted for the cool season, and I have some really cool things to be able to incorporate, including some Brussels sprouts. I have got some potatoes that are ready to be planted. I also have a whole bunch of different varieties of garlic to plant along the edge to keep the animals from going into this bed. But the real star is in this box. This is a special delivery from the Southern Bulb Company of Lycoris radiata, also known as the naked lily. Now, this is a plant that tends to bloom August and September, usually following a big rain. And it will grow and have vegetation all winter. I cannot wait to get this entire foundation planted with these so that I can have surprise lilies next summer. So stay tuned for how I do it. This is the world's greatest tool called the groundhog, and it is my main digging tool. And I'm just gonna plant these Lycoris into these holes. I'm going to do all three kind of right in an area so that when they bloom, it's really dynamic. Here's what they are. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but I did get a lot put into this garden space. So I planted those beautiful Lycoris radiata bulbs from Southern Garden Company. And then I got in some Brussels sprouts, which will grow all winter. And I planted an edge mixed with garlic and red potatoes. So I'll share updates in the coming weeks as everything starts to germinate and come to life. And this border should look great through the whole cool season ahead. Thanks for watching.